Where are we, hon?
We're in the middle of the woods.
I mean, we're literally, there's a lake over there, but we're in the woods. And there's wires here. Gonna back up here on the road. And there's a little clearing over there. He'll drive in. Whoa. And back in here just to clear the wires really is all we want. See, the wires are low. Like, I almost feel like I could jump and touch them. I mean, the truck is only like a foot from the wires. 2 feet maybe? And look at the trees. It's a good thing there's not a ditch on the other side of the road. See where the wires are. See if the box will clear the wires. Yes, the wires are way up there. Okay. I think drive ahead a little bit. Just be careful because when you open that, it's going to all fall out. Just be careful. You all right? Okay, there's a tree there. You never know what we're going to get ourselves into. First thing we said we'll have to start asking people is the civic address out by the road, because 90% of the time it's not. I just happened to look and down to the cottage and see the number on the side of the cottage. So sometimes we're driving around looking for the address. You got it? So we pin back the doors with bungee cords. And he'll go around the front. Well, maybe it'll roll down the hill and he won't have so far to put it away. You shouldn't have to put shouldn't have to put it up all the way because it's on a hill. Check the wires? I can't see from here. Okay. He's almost to the wires. Cord. You don't have much room. Okay. So we can't put the dump down until we back up, but Must be clear otherwise. He keeps peeking out. That's a close one. The wood didn't follow either. So I'll have to get up and get that out. Alright. These are the adventures for delivering firewood.